Hello, today we're gonna to draw Ariel.
Start with the face, 2 soft curved lines. Lightly sketch the arms. Now we add her top, 2 little seashells. It's so pretty. Draw a small waist and a teeny belt with scales. From the waist, let's slowly draw the tail all the way down. At the bottom, add 2 wings like soft petals. Go back to the arms and carefully finish them. Add a sweet smiling mouth. Outline the hair and add a small ear. Now comes my favorite part, big flowing wavy hair. Make it a nice and foul. Add a teeny flower. Draw the eyes. And look at that! Our beautiful Ariel is ready.